Yo, what is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today we got another interesting one for you. Another test ride. Today we're on the 2025 Scout Bobber, Indian Scout Bobber. This one's a bit interesting. It's a really good looking bike. Definitely not used to the foot position. My foot's way up in front. Oh shit. So definitely something to get used to. But so far it's pretty cool. We're just testing everything out. Have some awesome opportunities to showcase these bikes for you, so that's what we're doing. So just kick back, enjoy the ride. Just as last time, I'll put all the specs in it for you guys, so you know what we're dealing with, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you guys like this stuff, let me know. I'd like to do a lot more of this, so if there's some good support, then I'll definitely do what I can. Bro, this bike says low fuel. Come on now. I swear to baby Jesus, if I run out of gas, I guess it'll make for an interesting video, huh? Oh yeah, but yeah, we're over here at Indian of Redlands. They're having a little demo event, so I got a couple of bikes I'm gonna showcase for you guys, and one pretty cool one to look forward to is one with me and my wife. She's a passenger on a pretty cool bike. We'll show you guys, so stay tuned for that. Right now we're just cruising the streets, but I know we're gonna be hitting the freeway, so we'll be able to crank through some gears and see what kind of power delivery we're looking at, torque, you know, different stuff like that. Obviously it's a group ride. There's a bit of congestion, so you know, we'll see what we can do. But it's really cool having the opportunity to test out different bikes, because you wouldn't believe like how different each bike feels. Like, this is 1,000 times different than what I'm used to. Like, the feeding position is kind of wild. Come on, bro. So yeah, it's really cool having the opportunity to check out these bikes, and not only that, but to be able to kind of showcase them to you guys, because I don't know, I know there's some dealerships that, you know, allow test rides, or they'll have demo events and stuff, but like I said in, you know, my other videos, a lot of these dealers, you know, they don't, you can't really test ride motorcycles, which I understand, but at the same time I don't, because, you know, the only way you really know that, you know, you like the car that you're looking into is because you test drive it. But with bikes, you can't do that. And bikes, I feel like it's more important, because you have to feel like something with your bike, you know what I mean? Bikes have a certain feel to them, and you know, you want to be comfortable with it. You want to know what the weight distribution's like, power ratio, just all that different stuff, you know. So it kind of, yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that subject. But so it's cool that I can, obviously you still don't know the feel for it, but you know, there's certain things I can point out, you know, maybe like, you know, if we start to do this a lot, you know, I'll come up with some sort of category system, you know, where I'll put, you know, these certain bikes in that I review in a category, power wise, and you know, kind of people I think, you know, they're designed for, just different stuff like that. I think that'd be pretty cool, pretty insightful. That way, if you guys are in the market but you're not really sure what to get, you know, it's a big purchase, you know, maybe I can shed some light on that for you. So again, just hit me in the comments, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, I love the sound and I love the feel, man. It's pretty cool. I got a little warning light, but I think it's because low. Oh yeah, this thing is empty, bro. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. And unfortunately, I didn't notice it until after I left. Again, it'll make for some spicy content. Go, people. shouldn't be romping on it knowing I ain't got no gas. Ain't got no gas in it. That's your problem. Ain't got no gas in it. Oh, he's back there. Oh, feel the power. Yeah, these bikes look really cool. They sound really good. Power delivery is, you know, really good. Obviously, it's gonna vary depending on what, you know, what you're riding. But this is the new of the new, ladies and gents. Don't get no newer than this. I'm excited for some of the other rides that I got coming up too. Hope you guys are excited for that as well. Now we got to get on it a little bit. Yeah, she got some beans. It's pretty fun. It's also really cool to see like differences with all these bikes compared to like what I'm used to riding too, you know. Dragon foot. Uh-oh. Maybe that was just a rev limiter or something. That's one thing. You don't know where your RPM's at. That's one thing I'm not used to, but you know, if you're a skilled rider and you've been riding and you know bikes, you never really go by the gauge anyways. You're not staring at your gauge, you know, you go by sound, feel. It's kind of nice because it's a really new bike, but it feels super raw. You know what I mean? You don't have all these crazy amenities and stuff that a lot of these newer bikes have. But you have the important one, like a fuel gauge, and you got no fuel in it. Ain't got no gas. It looks like we're going on a pretty hefty ride too in the middle of nowhere. Oh shit. This might be it, boys. This might be it. I don't know how long it's been low on fuel. I don't know what kind of range. I mean, should be able to get, if we got at least a gallon, probably, I don't know, 40 miles or something, but who knows? I guess that's part of the fun, right? This isn't really staggered formation either. I feel like I need to point out. Single file, y'all. Single file. Dude, I'm so scared to like lean because I damn near took my foot out already. Forgot I had mirrors too. I'm still looking back like I'm on my bike. It's pretty cool though. Now, like, once you get used to like the seating, or yeah, the seating position, it's pretty cool. Whee! I ain't gonna lie, I don't even know how to like lean these bikes. So afraid I'm gonna drag peg. Oh, those back brakes are nice. Guess I should start talking about some of this stuff I feel. Brakes are fantastic, front and rear, really responsive. All your buttons so far feel really nice as well. You got cruise control, which is kind of, I wasn't expecting that. That's always nice. You know, you got your normal stuff too, your passing, your horn, all that good stuff, all your normal stuff. I got this little thing behind my seat that digs into the top of my ass crack to prevent me from flying off, I suppose. Oh, suspension's pretty decent for, you know, a bobber. You know, it's really cool too seeing, like, you know, production bobbers, if that's the right terminology for it. It's really cool to just see it done, like, nice, you know. Sorry, I'm really distracted. I don't think I'm having enough gas to make it in, and I ain't riding bitch with somebody else. Sorry, I don't roll that way, guys, okay, and girls. But I guess it wouldn't be a SoCal MotoBros video without it, right? Oh snaps! I'm in my hometown. Surprised I didn't recognize this area. I guess because I wasn't really paying attention. You'll get that on these big jobs, you know what I'm saying? Can I stop at Arco, please? I need some fuels. Some of that junk fuel. You're supposed to be over there, bud. Go, go, go. Guys should have ran it. So you have these blockers for. Go, 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 go. Now we're on the freeway, kind of test this out as much as I can, I suppose. This guy keeps changing his positioning. I don't like that because it's supposed to be staggered, my guy. Ooh, yeah, she got some good power. You know, some people kind of look at these bikes and probably don't think, you know, they got a whole lot of juice behind them, you know, but surprisingly they do, man. These bikes got some get up and go. They're a lot of fun to ride, even when you're stressing about running out of fuel. Look at that, low fuel, 0 out of 0, my guy. Obviously it's really controllable, you know, just one hand. In wind, you know, you don't have like protection and stuff like that like you would on, you know, a sport bike or anything, and you know, it doesn't blow me around too much, you know, and move around real nice. So yeah, I dig it. A lot of fun, really nimble, good power delivery. Let me know what you guys think about this bike. I'll have to see if I can get some nice little B-roll for you guys. You know, they move pretty quick with the ride, so I'll see what I can do. But if not, I'll just try and overlay some footage for you, because you gotta know what it looks like. It's kind of cool too, just being able to ride with other people, even if you ain't talking to them or know them. You know, it's kind of cool. And they have this carbon FJR, I think it's like a 1200 or something like that. Man, I want to ride that thing. That thing's sick. I'll have to try and get some footage of that for you guys too. I think he's right here actually, yeah. And you can't really see it all that well, but it's pretty badass looking. I want to ride that thing. See if I can get it. Yeah, that thing's sweet. FTR 1200. All carbon. That thing is beautiful. Beautiful. Alright guys, well, we're coming up on a close for this 2025 Indian Scout Bobber. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think of the videos, and you know, I got some more coming for you guys. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.